teacher. Good morning, everyone. My name is Urmi Nayk. I am a girl. I am 8 years old. My father name is Mr. Chandra Naik. My brother name is Daksh and Sunny. I am from Noida and UP. Hello everyone, my name is Urmi Nayk. I am 8 years old. I am from Noida. I like to play with hockey. I like pink color. I like potato, name of vegetable. I dislike peas. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vivaan. I study in second year in Manti school. Ambala city. My father's name is Uday Jindal. Thank you. My name is Vivaan. I am 7 years old. I am from Ambala, Kent, Haryana. My favorite color is black. I like to play with my younger brother. My favorite vegetable is potato, but I don't like bitter gourd. Thank you.
My name is Yakshit Negi. I am 6 years old. आज दिन का योगी जी Everyone, my name is Yakshit Negi. I am 6 years old. I am from Uttarakhand. I like to play football. I like red color. I like potato. I dislike bitter gourd. Thank you.